Did you know that roughly 30% of Castro Valley's wastewater collection system is located on private property? Easements found on private property give CVSan the right to access a portion of a person's private property to perform emergency repairs, maintain the wastewater collection system, and can include access points to manholes and risers. If there's an easement on your property, you can help by keeping the surrounding area clear and ensuring our workers always have safe and easy access to these facilities. And remember, permanent structures cannot be built within an easement. To help minimize the impact of visits, we can contact you before conducting routine maintenance activities. First, find out if there's an easement on your property by entering your address into the CVSan Sewer System Facilities map located at cvsan.org/easements. If there is an easement on your property, provide your contact information on the online easement contact form. This will allow CVSan staff to notify you of upcoming maintenance on your property. To learn more about the high-performance, low-cost wastewater services we provide, visit cvsan.org/wastewater.